Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified if I have new uploads. Today's video, guys, I'm so excited because I'll be doing a makeup tutorial for men. I'm gonna call this the natural and fresh looking makeup tutorial, and it's very easy. So let's get into the video. Maybe you're wondering why my hair is so messy right now. It's part of the tutorial. But before I proceed with that, I'm going to share with you guys the products I'll be using today. You can find it anywhere, like SM department store, you can find it in Watson's, Mercury drugstore, you can find it anywhere. When using tutorial, I'm just gonna fix my hair and change clothes, and then I'll be back. So there you go guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked the video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and share this video to your friends if you like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and as I always say, don't just dream, make it happen. See you guys in my next video. Bye!